Yes, and we're coming back today with much fresher content, much a better, executions. What's happening? It's your boy Top Boy. I hope everyone is doing well today. And yeah, man, let's just get into it. So yeah, how is everyone doing? Are you guys okay? Enjoyed your day today? Still a Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. All right, so yeah, let's look at price. Let's see what price has in store for us here. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. And if you're not having a wonderful day, I hope you do. All right, yeah. All right, this is perfect. Price is looking very nice today. Yeah, yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good, good. Yeah, we're about to have a wonderful session today. Not too crazy. You know us. Yeah, we're pulling up with Xauusd. Pulling up with the Xauusd. uh, what's up, Kendall Talk? London Flow Chart Vibes. KO Money. It's good. It's good. It's good. How's everything going today? Lovely, 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 lovely. Right. Yeah, we're about to start the session right now, but before we start with the session, I basically yeah, want to open up with a prayer. After that, we're gonna hop on this and we're gonna make magic happen. Yeah, we're gonna do wonders today. So yeah, let's close our eyes and pray. Thank you, Lord, that we're here. Thank you, Lord, for bringing us here today. Give us the strength, Lord, to be able to maneuver the charts and be successful. In Jesus' name, I pray. Amen. Right. Yeah, not too crazy. A little short prayer for the squad here. You know, yeah. Looking at the charts today, everything is looking goody. What's good, goody? It's good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything is looking wonderful. Right. Yeah, I'm loving what I see. You know what this is, guys. So we basically seeing price reject off of a level that is very important, pushed up without a what's this? Pushed up without a bottom work here. So yeah, are we seeing price reject here, or are you seeing something else? Yeah. I hope the music is not too loud. I hope the music is not too loud, guys. I'm just making sure. Let me just. Okay. Just making sure. Let me just. Okay. All right, all right, all right. I think the sound is good, and I believe that we are ready to go, ready to tackle the markets here, see what's beautiful, see what's ugly, step in where we belong here. All right. Yeah, so let's look at the daily time frame here. Clearly can see that the daily time frame, we do have a crazy rejection in this area, and it also acted as a support. So this is a very important area here. So the question is today, are we going to see price push up, or are we going to see price reject in this level here? Very interesting to find out. As you guys can see on the 4 hour time frame, we created support, and we're seeing price basically struggling to push up this level here, which is 50.94 here. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame here looks pretty clean. Yeah, but we're seeing price basically try and break out of this level here, but it's struggling. Let's see the 30-minute time frame. The 30-minute time frame still in the range. We did see some sort of a breakout here. Price tried pushing up, but it didn't manifest into anything too crazy here. Okay, let's look at the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart, we can see clearly that price was playing around these areas here for quite some time, right? And basically, what are we seeing here? We're seeing a breakout, but is this breakout a true breakout or is it a false breakout? That's something that we need to find out here, because what we can clearly see from the higher time frames is that in this area here there's a huge rejection, right? But we don't know how far are we going to reject. Is price going to push up to this level here and go down, or is price going to reject just here in this level, which is 50.64, and come back down? We are not sure yet. So that's something that we need to find out here today. What's goody? What's goody? Yeah, man. Topboylarry is back. Yeah, this is wonderful, guys. I like what I'm seeing. I see a good price action. I'm very bearish today. Yeah, I'm actually okay. Let me not lie. I'm slightly bullish. I'm slightly bearish, right? So, yeah, I'm seeing contradicting information here. So, we're gonna have to wait and see. Wait for closure, and yeah, we can take a decision from that. What is, do you prefer limit orders or market execution? I always go for limit orders, buy stops, market execution. Okay, and there's a disadvantage to it also. As something that I realized, I opened the trade and it went on slippage, 30 pips. Yeah, we made profits on that trade, but yeah, it was something that I was very much looking at, and I realized that, okay, based off of what price was doing off of that level, we did see some sort of a push up. So that's one thing you need to keep in mind. So right, so how many bullets today? How many bullets do we give ourselves here? How many bullets? We usually come here with 2 bullets when we pull up to the markets, right? And basically, what we do with these bullets is try and capture a move here. So this is our gun. Don't mind the way I'm drawing the gun. Yeah, I'm bad at drawing. Used to be very good, but yeah. So we have basically this you know gun. It has two bullets. We usually come with two or three bullets in the market for the day, and we try and capture the move here. And what we expect to see from this area here is, if we capture this move and we capture this move, then it cancels out this move, right? So basically, let's say this was a bad trade. We take two W trades, which maybe we made $140. uh yeah, maybe we make $140 right here, or let's just say $160 here, and we lose 80 dollars. We lose 80, right? Well, at the end of the day, we go home with profits, and basically, this is the whole concept of the trades that we take. We do not come here with 50 bullets and end up with nothing here. So basically, it's either that, or maybe we come here with only two, right? Let me just only two trades. We get double session W to that. Or maybe we get profits here and we get a loss here, and then maybe we go break even for the day. That's also totally fine. And if we get two losses, then that means we go negative on the day, right? Negative 160, right? That would mean we go negative on the day. And if we basically decide to uh, take another trade, maybe cancel out half of this and stay with probably $80. That's also something that we do. So this is the whole structure of how we trade, right, on a daily basis. This is something that you need to keep in mind. And yeah, if you do come across our trades here, don't be surprised by the fact that we don't take a lot of trades. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna have sell stops actually coming in right now. Um, oh yeah, this was our trade yesterday. Look at that. Our full TP got hit, but obviously we took partials around this area here and we let price play around. Yeah, this was a wonderful trade. If you guys remember the trade that we took yesterday, this is exactly what I was expecting, and this is exactly what happened, right? Right now we're bullish, but right now we are bearish. We are bullish but bearish. Yeah. Someone will be like, Larry, I don't understand. We bullish but bearish. Yeah, man, we bullish but bearish. It's the chat. That's how it goes. And if you don't understand, then there's an issue. Yeah, if you don't understand, then there's an issue. Yeah, I'm going to risk the trade here, basically understanding that the high times of volume have already passed. And right now, yeah, we are still very much bearish on the day. Nothing too crazy. We are going to have very tight stops here. Just make sure that you have tight stops, because this could be a risky trade. We are not, yeah, we just, yeah. There's a sell limit, meaning if price hits this area, okay, hopefully that's the case. Yeah. Ooh. All right, I'm going to open a straight up sell here. Am I going 9 lots? Yeah. Yeah, I'm only gonna risk. Let's see. I will only risk $100 with with this trade. I'm gonna cancel the previous one, which is this one. Cancel. Yeah. And right now I'm gonna stick with this one only. Yeah. And I'm only expecting like $240. None too crazy. None too crazy. So yeah, let's wait and see if price will respect us and keep on pushing down here. And if not, then yeah, that would also mean it's a we're calling it a day. And yeah, looks like price will very much push up here, maybe push to these levels, maybe come back down. But yeah, we're still there. Yeah, not too crazy. If you're looking at price, yeah, that's what we have our minds placed on here. What's your warm up routine before trading? Breathing exercises. That's my warm up routine. Always keep that in mind. Breathing exercises. Yeah. What's your warm up routine before trading? Yeah. It's basically breathing exercises. I make sure that I breathe every single time I trade. I open the chart. I breathe, man. Before trading, I breathe, man. Breathe. Get that energy inside your brain, get the oxygen flowing in your brain, give your mind time to be clear. Sometimes you might come into the markets with a foggy mindset, but because right now we're in a trade, we need to make sure that everything is set right. Look at the trade here. Yeah, so we basically still in losses here. Yeah, so we're basically expecting price to push back down, maybe to these levels here. Probably take $240 here, but we're risking 130. Yeah, $130 risk. Yeah, so it's 1:2 risk to reward ratio here. As we coming hard with the lot size, man. 0.09, nothing too crazy. You know what I mean? For me, this is enough, There's this guy on TikTok, he's like, now come better lot size. I don't remember him, but that guy talks like he puts like 50 lot size, Also on 0.09, not too crazy. Yeah. So yeah, we're still on negative $24, yeah. Minus $28, minus $30. Okay, yeah. Let's see what price wants to do, how it is going to react here. All right, the 5 minute time frame here is telling us price wants to reject here. But yeah, we'll see the closures of this specific trade here. Oh yeah, we're going to keep our stops a bit more tight here. Um, we're still on negative $16. $16. Hope you guys can see that. Yeah, that's where we at right now. Price is basically pushing up here. Yeah, so let's see if price will reverse and go in our favor here. Here this is no child's play. I'm not gonna lie to you. This cannot be child's play. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, yeah. Goes down, yeah, goes down. So you really need to be mentally prepared to be able to go through this type of drawdown. When a person basically gets into the market and they see such drawdown, they start, panicking. And this is something that you need to understand, that it always happens in the market. You first start going on drawdown before you go on profits, and not all the time, but sometimes you might just go in the trade and price might just push immediately. But I'm talking under normal circumstances, you're going to see price push back down for quite some time and then price pushing back up. And it's fine. We do understand that the charts always do that. It is something that you need to get yourself used to. And yeah, after a while, you will get used to it and execute according to what price will be telling you in that moment, right? Yeah. Yeah, so we're expecting to see price push down here, but price is basically stubborn. You can see that we've been here for quite some time, a few minutes here. Yeah, but it looks like we are losing strength now. The USD is starting to give us my money. Give me my money. You know what I mean? Looks like we are starting to push back down here. Uh, yeah, are we going to melt down here? Is this going to be a little liquidity grab on the 5 minute time frame here, or is price going to push down? Yeah, negative $14 back into the negative double digits here. The double digit, negative double digit. Yeah. Yeah, if Goldie gives one more push up here and it comes back to this area, I'm still going to hold my trades, right? Let's just say, for example, price pushes up, breaks the previous highs here on the 15 minute, or let's see the 30 minute. Yeah, maybe breaks its own highs on the 30 minute, pushes up to this level. Yeah, then we might just see a huge drop down. So that's what I'm expecting to see if price fails to move here. Yeah, this could just be a reaccumulation of price for the 15 minutes to keep on pushing up. So, what we are going to do here is we're going to basically, decrease our stops here, and we are going to be very, very tight. Yeah, we're going to be very, very tight here. Yeah, I can't teach you how to trade without teaching you how to protect your capital first. First thing you should play in this forex market game is protectionism, if that's a word. But yeah, if you start playing protectionism and you're able to protect your capital at all times, and if you lose small, then you will be able to, start performing better on the charts here. Because whenever things don't go your way, you don't lose a lot of money. You see, like right now, as we can see, the gold right now here is basically giving us different signals, or let me just say different uh, 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 confirmations on each and every single candlestick here. So every single candlestick, or maybe let's just say every single time frame, is giving us different information here. So when we get things like that, or maybe we get price moving like that, then you need to be able to play a game called protectionism. Yeah, you need to be able to protect your capital because yeah, you can clearly see that price wants to do something here, you know, and yeah, we need to be able to react to the markets, immediately when we see things like this, right? Yeah. So the stops are going to be very, very tight, just above these previous highs here. If price decides to push up, I'm closed. I'm closed. Or price will tap me out. Yeah, we are back down to $5 here. Is price going to push here? Last 30 seconds left to see what price wants to do here. Goldie, are you going to give us a push here? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Looks like we are approaching profits here. Looks like price wants to push down here, or maybe push back up. We don't know, but yeah, let's see what price will do here. Will it keep on pushing down? Go down. Push. Push, Goldie, push, Goldie. Yeah. Give me my money, Goldie. Yeah, give me my money. Let's see how far will Goldie respect us here today. Yeah, but we just on $5. If you can reach at least $50, that's when I will take, partials or something like that. But if that's not the case, then we will see this. And once we see this, then yeah, that would mean this wasn't our place to open trades. A lot of people on TikTok are asking me, why am I not posting losses? I'm only posting profits. And you know what? I don't want to lie to you. I so bad want to post losses, but I don't have losses that much. For the past month or so, I haven't been getting any losses. You know what I mean? Oh, I did actually. Let me not lie. I did get a loss, and I only posted one loss. Ever since then, it's been W after W after W after W. You know what I mean? So if you look at my profits and losses here, P&L, and my win rate percentage here, you will understand what I'm talking about, right? You can clearly see that we do have a 54 win rate, like 54 wins. Our losses are only 10 and break even is only 8. So it gives us an 84% win rate here. I hope you can clearly see that 84% win rate. So it is not easy for a person with an 84% win rate to give you losses, it's not easy. It's not easy. If we do give you a loss, or if they do give you a loss, then well, it happens, but it's not a common occurrence. All right. Let's look at we back to negative 25 $27 here and 11 minutes to a closure. So let's see what price wants to do here. Very, very shady. Looks like price wants to pull back up here, but we do have a game plan actually set up for this trade here. So if we do get a closure above like this, then we might just push our stop loss to this area here and only risk 62%. Yeah, 62 dollars instead of 100 here. But our expectation is to see price move all the way down here, and yeah, basically give us some money. Give me my money, Goldie. Goldie, oh, don't play around with me now. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame here, we are ranging quite crazy here. Looks like the move that we took here, which was a breakout of this level here, was a fake move. As you guys can see, after that we got a fake out and price is moving back up here. Yeah, negative 57 there. Oh, yeah, now price is ripping up here. Look at that. Feels so bad. Look at that, guys. Damn. That's why I don't like watching the 1 minute time frame. It makes you feel like the move that you just encountered is so huge, right? Like, what the hell? Yeah, but looks like price is gonna push up here, guys. I'm not lying. It's very much convincing that we are going up here. So, yeah. This looks like this is going to be an L trade here, but never say never. We still have our hopes high. Yeah. But yeah, in the next 19 minutes, if we do get a bullish closure like this, then we might just change our trade, right? Yeah. Negative $72 here. Yeah. Is price going to tap us out here? So here's the game plan, guys. If price taps us out, totally fine. Yeah, we just move on to the next trade. But yeah, if we do get a closure like this, then we might just change our bias actually. Yeah, for the scalp. Yeah, we're probably gonna change our bias for the scalp move here. Then we might just be bullish. We might just get into those buys, react to the buys, react. Don't forget the word react, right? react to what the market is currently doing based off of price action. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Price is gonna tap us out here. All right. So we are basically left with one bullet left, which is $100 in the trades. Yeah. So now, what is the game plan? Wait 7 minutes. Let's see what price wants to do. How price is going to close in this area? Once we get a closure, a proper closure, then we can react and basically hop on the trades. Maybe get a little bit aggressive. Reason being, we are seeing that we took a L, right? Maybe go double the size of the lot. I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. We don't trade like that here. Yeah, we don't risk money like that, right? Um, yeah, I'm still very much bearish here. So this is the game plan, right? Below the lows here, below this 5 minute low, I think I'm going to go bearish, right? Yeah, I'm still expecting to see price push down. Um, this could be a short-term buy. This could be fake out. But yeah, let's see how price is going to react here. But we are going to have a sell stop down in this level here, and yeah, we'll just see how price reacts here. This could possibly just be a liquidity grab here. Yeah, we're going to have our stop loss somewhere around here. So if price right now breaks out of this area here, maybe pushes up to like our desired stop, which is $100, without breaking this low here, then we are certain that price is bullish, and then we're going to basically delete the stop and yeah, take a different trade here. Well, yeah, unfortunately, that's part of the game. We do take losses, we do take wins. But yeah, as long as you have more wins than losses, that's what matters in this game, right? Yeah. All right. So we have our 11th loss here. Right. Yeah. So yeah, that is actually the loss that we were interpreting earlier on. Shit, damn. But yeah, we did get that loss. Right now we are basically waiting to see what price wants to do here. Yeah. So basically for the past few days we've been taking a bit high risk trades and just impulse trade actually the whole week this week, and I will explain to you why. Um, the reason we were taking um, such trades, we were basically looking at the fact that price here um, is really moving counter what we had planned, right? So what were we doing? We're taking impulse trades based off of we knew that price was bullish overall, right? But for the fact that price was bullish overall, which you can see here from Tuesday, Monday, let's see. All right, let's look at the overall perspective of things. Yeah, price pushed down, but we can clearly see that price is bullish, right? So this was the whole idea, or this was the whole um, aspect we were looking at, and we understood that since price is pushing up here, and we had a ranging market, which you can see here clearly. This is what was happening, right? So with that, we understood that even if we are bullish, we can take the sales based off of previous price action, right? So we can see that price basically tapped here, went down, tapped here, went down, tapped here, went down, tapped here, went down. So this area was very vital, it was very vital for us traders. So we were looking at areas like this. This is why we were able to take sales, right? Um, this is a normal occurrence, price, correcting itself. So we were taking mostly impulse trades. So like right now, I know that we are bullish, but we are looking for that correction um, trade here. And another thing, um, we can clearly see that we are let me just say we can clearly see that we are bullish, right? But our counter trend trades are bearish. Our counter trades are bearish because of price that has been tapping here and going down. Are we saying we are going to go down here right now? No, we are not saying we're going to go down here right now, specifically at this point in time, but we are predicting that move, right? And not predicting, we are trying to react to that move based off of the lower time frames, right? So we did go for a sell here, which price tapped us out and kept on pushing up, right? So the sell move that we went for here was basically a counter trend move, right? It was a move that we were expecting to see if price pushed back down. And right now I'm gonna have my sell stop right here in this level here, and my stop loss will be at the highs. Yeah, and this will be my last trade of the day. Yeah. Yeah, this is basically our last move for the day here. We are still bearish. We are not changing our bias, guys. You should keep that in mind. Yeah. We will not change our bias. We still have the same idea going on. Same game plan. Nothing changes. Sticking to the same idea. Bearish move. We wait for the bearish move. It takes us out. We look for another opportunity. We go bearish again. Yeah. So that's the whole idea of this whole yeah, of this whole trading thing that I do, right? Exactly everything that I said, that's a rule set. Keep it in mind and never forget it. All right, we are tapped in again here. We are tapped in again. Yeah, tapped in again, up $20. Are we going to see price push down here? As it should. As it should. Yeah, we're going to see price push down here. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Yeah, very bearish. Very bearish. Yeah, if price takes us out here, pushes up again and takes us out, we done. We done for the day. We done. Like that is not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. And yeah, this is not revenge trading, guys. You need to keep that in mind. This is not revenge trading. This is me basically, given the other opportunity that I see here, I am reacting to what price is doing, right? So this is another opportunity that I see in the market to enter. And that's basically what I'm doing here. I have entered on another opportunity for the sales here. So I'm just waiting to see price, melt here. And if price gives us $200 here, I'll be more happy. Because we just lost $100. So we get $200, we stick with the 100, we stay out of the market, we relax. Right? So is price going to do that? Or are we going to see something different? Yeah, if we dip to the 400s here, I would love it. Yeah. This would be the best trade of the week. If we dip down, this would be the best trade of the week. Minus $12. Yeah, price is moving very funny today. Very funny today. So one thing you should understand is that you do not need to be emotionally attached to your trades here. The moment you start being emotionally attached to what the charts are doing, you're gonna find yourself in a very huge problem. You see, right now we are in losses, right? But you will not find me, opening many trades, deleting trades, going again, and just, fighting my idea here. So I always stay calm to the market, always chill, always make sure that whatever happens in the market or however price wants to react, I'm detached to it, right? So the moment you find that ground in your system, or maybe let me just say, the moment you find that type of understanding or that type of setup in your life where you can just be calm when you take losses, then you should be fine. You should be good to go. Because not every day you will find those perfect trades, right? And it looks like today is one of those days. Uh, yeah, it looks like today is one of those days where you don't find your perfect trade, right? And this is just the reality of trading, the reality of the markets. It's real, guys. It's real. We don't fake anything here, you know. And price does what price does. We don't manipulate any charts. We don't use any weird indicators. I'm not gonna show you any indicators that don't make sense, guys. I'm not gonna show you none of that, right? I'm just going to show you price pure action. I mean, pure price action. I'm going to show you guys pure price action. I'm going to show you guys the reality of trading, because I'm trading in front of you in real time, right? That's the respect I give my work here, right? And I know for a fact when people are watching this more, this way I am even 10 times more careful of what price is doing, right? So I don't take any damn decisions or make any damn decisions based off of my emotions. I can't do that, right? I preach that. It's like a pastor who goes against their own teachings or sermons, right? Because the moment I start doing that, the moment I teach my students to do that, and the moment I teach my students to do that, the more I'm not credible, right? You can't be credible if you're going to only show wins and not show the bad days, right? And clearly looks like today is one of those days. uh, yeah. Still following the same strategy that gave me 54 wins here. Yeah, still following the same strategy. There's no difference. There's no change in strategy. There's nothing. Still the same. And this is the reality of things, right? This is the reality of things. Today we are going on in losses. We took $100 loss on the previous trade, and this trade basically looks like it wants to give us another $80 loss, because if we do get an $80 loss, that would be $180 down for the day, right? Yeah, look at that move. Holy moly. All right, I'm going to open like another cell. Yes. I'm just playing around, guys. That's what a beginner trader would do. Someone who is not in my class, someone who's still learning forex. That's what they would do, actually. I mean, we're opening another one. Yeah, 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 yeah. If you see we can open another one, then we're good to go, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We open another one. And then it grabs them. Then they go in losses, and then it's like, man, what are you doing? Oh, why are you emotional? You know, I've gotten to a point where I've seen more women being a bit more, profitable in trading. Actually, when you give a lady a set of rules and you tell her to follow those rules on a daily basis, I'm telling you, you will be so surprised to see women performing much better than men do. You know, and well, that's an experiment that I have to prove to myself, right? Maybe get 5 ladies, get 5 guys, teach them trading, and see who performs better. Maybe that is something I should do. But there's a guy that I've taught trading, and there's a girl that I've taught trading, and based off of what I've seen between the two, I see the lady a bit more consistent, right? And I'm not stereotyping or saying anything. Don't judge me. But yeah, that's something that I've seen, and well, it's still yet to be proven false, right? It's just a little theory that I have, a little theory that I have. Yeah, yeah. This is going to be a long trade. So, well, look, guys, this is one thing I want to make you aware of, right? For the past few days, also, I've been coming to the market a little bit later than usual, right? So by this time, volume has already kicked off, right? So you need to be very careful with the fact that okay, you understand that you're taking a trade. You have your setup, you have your bias, you have everything put in place, right? But one thing that you need to keep in mind of is the fact that price has already made its move, right? We see moves like this based off of price action. I mean, based off of news, right? So moves like this, we do understand that price has already given us that move there. So, oh, and there's another one actually, like this one, right? Price has already given us this move already, right? So right now, when we're approaching times like this, which is uh, 31 on my side, 1981. We do understand that at this time, the moves have already happened, right? So right now, we're going to be trading in an accumulation uh, area where well, let me just say where the chart does not have or does not make sense, right? Let me just say that. Maybe that's the best explanation I can give for now, right? This is where price basically is in consolidation, or maybe we are going to see many false moves, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down. So at these times, you need to really try your best and stay away of the market if you're not good at what you do. What's your risk per trade? 1:2, 1:3, 1:1, and yeah, those are my risks. Depends on the quality of the trade. I have I call them the A plus setup trades. I have the B setup trades. I have C trades. The C, obviously, based off of the name, is where I'm least confident in the trade, right? And if I have a A plus setup, that's where I'm most confident in the trade. Yeah. Speed sounds good. Sounds good, man. Fire things. Sounds really nice. Sounds really nice. Yeah, yeah. Goldie not in our favor today here. One of those slow days, slow roachy poachy days. Moving like tortoise days. 7 minutes to a closure here, and price is rejecting these levels here. Yeah, very tight moves here too. But yeah, there's no volume. There's no volume. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Sure. Goldie today is angry. Goldie, very angry today. You really don't want to give us this move. No move from you, Goldie. Two losses. Are we taking two losses in a row? Yeah, if we do take two losses in a row or the second loss right now, that would mean we are basically we done. We done. Yeah. This would be our first L day this year. Yeah. Damn. Look at that move. Wow. Why does pushing gold up here? Damn, look at that. Out again. All right. Uh, yeah. Minus 200. As we said, we are going to stay very, very disciplined with ourselves. Whenever we get losses like this, we stay out of the market for the day, right? Yeah. So that's the plan. That's the whole plan. Uh, uh, yeah. But this was a W session. I would still take those trades again, given the opportunity next time. Yeah. But one thing we need to take away from this whole uh, trades today, basically is that, yeah, one thing we need to take away from today is the fact that time is important, right? Time is important. And better trade where there's high volume because you get moves like this when price is, yeah, is accumulating. You find yourself with a lot of fake moves, so Keep that in mind, guys. All right. Right. We have three losses this week. Three. No, I'm lying. Two. Yeah, we have two losses this week. Yeah, out of six trades, I think. Yeah, we took like six W wins. And four losses. No, two losses. Six wins and two losses this week. Yeah, that's what we have encountered this week. But yeah, it's just a stepping stone. Yeah, some days are gonna be like this. You just need to suck it up and go about your day. You know, be calm, and come back a stronger man tomorrow. That's what you should do. Nothing. Yeah, don't be too greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't over trade. Don't over trade. Don't over trade. Don't look at anything else today. Leave your charts and don't think about it, right? And come back tomorrow and restart your day. Same positivity, same confidence. We push and we get paid, right? So keep that in mind, guys. Yeah, that's it from me here today. Yeah, yeah, it's your boy Topboylarry, and I will see you guys on another one. Peace out.